Hello, and welcome back. Today, we'll cover generic inquiries, which are grid-style screens in Acumatica designed to help you easily view and interpret your data. There are hundreds of generic inquiries inside of Acumatica out of the box. You're also able to build your own generic inquiries or modify the generic inquiries that are in the system already. Generic inquiries have a similar layout. At the top of the page, you'll see the generic inquiry name. Just to the right, you'll be able to favorite generic inquiries. Below, you'll see screen action icons that all relate to the specific type of generic inquiry you're viewing, in this case, sales orders. They will let you refresh the list of sales orders, reload the list of sales orders from the server, create a new sales order, modify the selected record, in some cases export to Velixo, fit the number of columns to your screen, and export the list directly to Excel. Just below, you'll find saved filters. Following, you'll see the columns available by default on the generic inquiry. If you don't see the column you're looking for, use the column configurator to add or remove columns. The columns can be rearranged to the order that you like. For example, I might have the date column appear before order type. This is saved to my user account and will load the same configuration the next time I load the screen. If I'd like to return to the default configuration, simply return to the column configuration window and use the reset option. Columns are also resizable. Clicking and dragging can allow you to resize a column to show more detail. If a numeric column is not wide enough, it will show the pound symbol to indicate there's more data available. Columns also allow you to sort and filter contextually. If I'd like to see my scheduled shipments in ascending order, I can use the Sort Ascending option to see my oldest shipments first. Similarly, I can use the Date filter to sort descending to see my most recently entered orders. Columns also allow for filtering conditions. For example, I can see only open orders by clicking on Status, deselecting all available options, and selecting only open orders. Clicking Apply will save my changes and allow me to see the information that's most important to me. If this information is something I come back to often, I can save this view for later use by clicking the filter icon and Save Filter. I can give the filter a name, such as Open Orders. I can share this filter with others on my team, set it as default for when I open the sales order generic inquiry, or simply save to add it to my list of saved filters in the future. If I'd like to pin this saved filter to the top of my list, I can use the favorite icon. Thanks for joining us for this high-level overview of generic inquiries.